Okay, so good morning everyone. So let's start today lecture. Today we are having only 20 participants. Okay, let's see. Others will join. So we will start the lecture. So today, under the mathematics for the technology, we are starting our new lecture. So it is from the algebra, the small section we have to do. And I know you guys know about this algebra section. You have done this in your school time also. So today we will be recap your memory. Okay. So today lecture is on algebra. Okay, so here in this lecture, we are going to talk about the under the algebra section. We are going to talk about the substitution and how to use the symbols, simple algebraic expressions and manipulations, solution of linear equations and we have to do some questions on solution of simple quadratic equations. Algebra means बीजगणिते बीजगणिते කොටස් තමයි අද අපි කරන්නේ අපි ස්කූලේදී in school time we have done this okay, so let's see. Okay, so the first one we are going to talk about the substitution. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි නොදන්න පදයට අපිට value එක දුන්නාම අපි කොයි විදිහටද question කරන්න කියලා. So here the substitution. So we know area of a circle, the equation is we are using 5r square. So if r is 2 centimeter, what is the area value? So you guys have to actively participate for today's lecture. So give me the answers. So here area of a circle is the equation we are using is 5r square. So if we consider a circle, the radius is r and the area is the equation we are using is 5 into r square. So when r is 2 centimeter, so tell me what is the answer we are getting for the area? Anyone from the empty batch? What is the area you are getting? What is the answer you are getting when our the radius is 2 centimeter? Guys, what is the answer? Yeah, thank you. It's 12.57 centimeter, not centimeter. We are getting the answer centimeter square. Okay, so here our 5 is 22 divided by 7 and we are substituting these two value for the r. So 22 divided by 7 and 2 square is 4. So we are getting the answer 12.57 centimeter square. So here likewise this is substitution. We are learning about ආදේශ කිරීම. So we are applying the r value, the 2 centimeter value. We are substituting. Okay. So the next one, area of the triangle. So I'm these two examples for you guys to get the idea. So in the area of the triangle, so if we consider a triangle, this is my triangle. This base is b and the height is h. So we know area of this triangle, the equation we are using is half base into height. So our equation is half BH. So in this example, we are given if B is 16 centimeter and the H is 10 centimeter. So half is okay. We can substitute the B value as 16 centimeter and our H value as 10 centimeter. Okay. So what is the area we are getting for this triangle? Okay, so one. Yeah, our answer is 80 centimeter square. So here this is an area 1 half. So we substituting our B value is 16 centimeter and our H is 10 centimeter. So here half 8 and 8 into 10 is 80 and centimeter into centimeter square. So simply we are substituting these values. So in this question, in our first example, we substitute the R value for 2 centimeter. And here the triangle area 1, we substitute B value and the H value. Substitution කියන්නේ අපි ආදේශ කිරීම. එතකොට මේ algebra වලදී මම මෙතන example දෙයක් පෙන්නලා තියෙන්නේ අපි රවුමක area එක හොයන equation එකයි ත්‍රිකෝණයක area එක හොයන equation එකයි. පළවෙනි එකේදී අපිට මේ circle එකේ මේ රවුමේ අරය දීලා තියෙනවා සෙන්ටිමීටර් 2යි කියලා. එතකොට අපි 5r වර්ගය කියන equation එකේ r කියන එකට සෙන්ටිමීටර් 2 ආදේශ කරනවා. substitute කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේදී triangle එක area එක අපි දන්නවා භාගයයි base එක into height එක. equation එකේ අපි base එකට අපිට දීලා තියෙන value එක සහ height එකට අපිට දීලා තියෙන value එක අපි ආදේශ කිරීමෙන් අපිට මේ triangle එකේ equation එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so that's the idea on the substitution. Okay, so now we are getting the idea using of the symbols. So let's see our question number 1, example question 1. So our question is, a boy has X shirts. He gets Y shirts for his birthday as a present. So how many shirts has he got? Okay, so you guys can give me the answer. This boy has X shirts already, and for his birthday, he is getting Y shirts as a present for his birthday. So now, how many shirts have he got? Okay, so using the symbols, how can we write our answer? So earlier, this boy got X number of shirts. For his birthday, he getting Y number of shirts. So now, how many? It is X plus Y. එක පුද්ගලෙක්ට එයාට දැනට තියනවලු X shirts ප්‍රමාණය. එයාගේ උපන්දිනේට තෑගි විදියට එයාට තව Y shirts ප්‍රමාණයක් ලැබිලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට එයාට දැනට එයාට කලින් තිබුණා X ප්‍රමාණයක්. එයාට උපන්දිනෙන් එයාට තෑගි හම්බුණා Y ප්‍රමාණයක්. එතකොට දැන් එයා ගාව තියෙනවා X සහ X ධන Y ප්‍රමාණයක් shirts එයා ගාව තියෙනවා. So here we using the symbol. අපි x සහ y ආශ්‍රිතයෙන් අපි ආන්සර් එක ලියනවා. එතකොට එයාට දැනට තියෙනවා x ධන y ප්‍රමාණයක්. Okay, so that is our example 1. And let's see the example 2. So our example 2, a woman buys p meter of cloth and cuts q meter of it. So asking us how many meters remain. A woman buys p meter of clothes and she cut q meter off and asking how many meters remain. Okay, so if you guys any doubts, you can ask. Okay, yeah, P minus Q. So earlier this woman, she take a P meter of cloth and she cut from Q meter 1. This is the one she cut, Q meter of it. So they are asking how many remain. So this is our remain part. So remaining meter can be written as the total one is P and she take off Q amount. So P minus Q is the one remaining. මේ ගෑනුව කෙනා කඩේකට ගිහිල්ලා මීටර් P ප්‍රමාණයක රෙදි කෑල්ලක් ගන්න. එතකොට එයාගේ උමනාවට එයා ඒකෙන් Q ප්‍රමාණයක් අයින් කර ගන්න. එයා මොනවා හරි හදන දෙයකට මහන දෙයකට එයා Q ප්‍රමාණයක් ගන්න. එතකොට අපෙන් අහන්නේ how many meters remain? කොච්චර ප්‍රමාණයක් ඉතුරු වෙනවද? මෙයා ගත්ත P ප්‍රමාණයෙන් එයා Q ප්‍රමාණයක් ගන්නවා එයාගේ අවශ්‍යතාවයට. එතකොට අපිට ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ප්‍රමාණය. මෙතන සම්පූර්ණ ප්‍රමාණය P එයා අරගෙන තියෙන ප්‍රමාණය Q මෙන්න මේ කොටස තමයි අපේ remaining කොටස වෙන්නේ. මේ remaining කොටස වෙන්නේ අපේ එතකොට P minus Q ප්‍රමාණය. So the remaining meter is P minus Q meters. Okay, so then let's see our example 3. Here a boy is X years old and his sister is Y years older than his. What is the age of the sister? A boy is X years old and his sister is Y years older than his. And we have to find what is the age of the sister. The boy is X year old and his sister is Y years older than his. So what is the age of the sister? Here asking the age of the sister. Yes, X plus Y is the answer. මෙතන idea එක මේ boy එයාගේ වයස අපිට දීලා තියෙනවා X කියලා. එතකොට මෙතන අපිට කියනවා his sister is Y years older than his. මෙයාට වඩා Y ප්‍රමාණයක් වයස වැඩිලු ඒ එතකොට අපේ අහන්නේ මේ sister ගේ වයස කීයද කියලා. එතකොට මේ X කියන එකට එයාගේ ඒ දෙන අතර තියෙන gap එක තමයි Y. එතකොට sister ගේ old එක වෙන්නේ වයස වෙන්නේ X ධන Y. මෙහෙම කිව්වොත් idea එක දුන්නත් පවුලේ ළමයි දෙන්නෙක්ගේ එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ වයස දැන් වයස අවුරුදු 12යි. එයාට වඩා එයාගේ වැඩිමහල් සහෝදරයා ඊට වඩා සහෝදරයාගේ වයසේ gap එක ඒ දෙන අතර gap එක අවුරුදු 3යි. එතකොට අනිත් සහෝදරයාගේ වයස වෙන්නේ 12 ධන 3. ඒ කියන්නේ එයාගේ වයස අවුරුදු 15යි. So that's the idea. A boy, he is X years old and his sister is older than he is. එයාට වඩා අවුරුදු Y ප්‍රමාණයක් වැඩි. ඒක නිසා තමයි අපි මේ X කියන වයසට old එකට අපි Y කියන ප්‍රමාණය එකතු කරන්නේ. එතකොට sister ගේ old එක වෙන්නේ වයස වෙන්නේ X plus Y. Okay, so that's for getting the idea, the using of the symbol. So if you guys have any doubt, ask. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so here the topic is simple algebraic expression and the manipulations. So we are first. Yes, Isuru Sampath, do you have any doubt? You have raised the hand. That's why I asked. If you have any doubt, ask. Okay. So if you guys have any doubt, you can even ask or you can put a message. Okay. It's okay. So here we are doing the first. We will do about the simplify. Okay, so under the algebraic expressions, first we are going to talk about the simplify. So look at him. So here, this is an example one I am going to do. So here you guys can see there are x, x, y, x and y. So here we are having x and y words. So we can, so the simplify, we can write first the x1, 3x plus 2x plus x, and then the y numbers plus 5y minus 3y. So after that, we can simplify this. So here 3x plus 2x plus x means this is 5x, and here 6x plus 5y into 3 minus 3y is 2y. So likewise we can simplify. මෙතනදී දැන් equation එක example එක ගත්තොත් okay, so here මෙතනදී මං ගත්ත එකේ 3x ධන 2x ධන 5y ධන x ඍණ 3y. දැන් මෙතනදී අපිට තියෙනවා x පදක් තියෙනවා y පදක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට මෙතනදී අපි කරන්නේ simplify. මේක අපි සුළු කිරීමක් කරන්නේ. તો සුළු කිරීමේදී අපිට x පද වෙනමයි y පද වෙනමයි consider කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට මම අපිට ලේසි වෙන්න x පද එක පේලියට තා y පද වෙනමත් ලියුවා. එතකොට අපි x පද ගත්තොත් 3x ධන 2x ධන x. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට y පද වලින් තියෙන්නේ 5y සහ ඍණ 3y. එතකොට x පද අපිට වෙනම එකතු කරාම 3x ධන 2x ධන x කියන්නේ 6x. 5y ඍණ 3y කියන්නේ ධන 2y. So our answer is the QS batch index number 27. The answer is correct, right? 6x no we are getting. අපිට එන්නේ 6x නේද? Okay, so here 3x.
Oh, miss.
හරිනේ? එතන 3x. So here 2x and the x. So 3, 2 and 1 is 6x and yeah, okay, 5y and here minus 3y. So we are getting the plus 2y. Okay, so this is, we can get the wrong answers. That's why I take the first the x1 and then the y ones. Okay, so likewise we can simplify. So our answer is 6x plus 2y. Okay, so likewise this is the example to 5x plus 6x minus 2y plus 3x plus 4y. So tell me, you guys, how to after simplify, what is the answer we are getting? 5x ධන 6x ඍණ 2y ධන 3x ධන 4y. සුළු කරලා බලන්න අපිට එන answer එක කීයද කියලා. So tell me, what is the answer? Okay, so one says 16x plus 2y and another one is 14x plus 2y. Let's see. Okay, so here our x and y are there. So 5x plus yx minus 2y and plus 3x and plus 4y. So I am writing the x1 first. So 5x plus 6x plus 3x. So those are my x1s. So y minus 2y and plus 4y. So here in the x1, 5x plus 6x plus 3x, we are getting 11 and 3 is 14x. So those are x. And here minus 2y and plus 4y, that is plus 2y. So we are getting the answer 4x plus 2y. Okay. So according to your answer, yeah. And QS batch index number 16. Is it okay? You said it is 16x.
Okay, madam.
Okay. මෙතනදී අපි x පද වෙනමයි y පද වෙනමයි. එතකොට අපිට x පද වලට එන්නේ 5යි x ධන 6යි x ධන 3යි x. එතනින් අපිට එනවා 14යි x 6යි 5යි 11යි 3යි 14යි. y පද වෙන්නේ ඍණ 2යි y සහ 4යි y. 4ෙන් 2ක් ගියාම ධන 2යි y. So that is our answer. Okay. So let's move on. So here the example 3. So we are having 3a plus 4b minus 2a plus 5c minus 3a plus 2b plus 6c plus 4a. So simplify and get the answer for this. Tell me the answer. Okay, we are getting one answer as 2a plus 8b plus 11c. Okay, so what is the answer? Others good. Others? A 2a plus 6b plus 11c and another 2a plus 5b plus 11c. Okay, let's see. 2a plus 6b plus 11c. Okay, let's see. So here we are having a, b and c words. Okay, so many say it is 2a plus 6b plus 11c. Okay, let's see. So I write my a elements together. So 3a is there. A and minus 2a and here minus 3a and again plus 4 is there. That is a. And next I have plus 4b and plus 2b. Okay, that's the for b. And next I consider the b. And I have 5c and I have plus 6c. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'm checking whether I wrote everyone. Okay, so here plus 3a into minus 3a are cutting. So we are getting minus 2a and plus 4a. That is plus 2a. And here 4b plus 2b is plus 6b. And plus 5c and plus 6c is 11c. Okay, so let's check with your answers. Yeah, the answer is 2a plus 6b plus 11c. QS batch index number 16, it's okay, right? You could plus 5b. You have got the answer. Okay, so our answer is 2a plus 6b plus 11c. Okay. Okay, so here our example 4, 3x square plus 5 minus x square plus 6x minus 2. So find the answer. Simplify this and you need the answer. 3x වර්ගය ධන 5 ඍණ x වර්ගය ධන 6x ඍණ 2. සුළු කරලා අපිට එන answer එක කීයද? Quickly give the answer. 3x square plus 5 minus x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay, 2x square plus 6x plus 3. Let's check the answer. Okay, so here our example 4, we are having x square and constant also there and x words are there. X numbers are there. So I write the x square once. So here 3 x square minus x square. I wrote this and this. Okay, so that is for the x square. And next the x1 plus 6x is only there. And plus 5 minus 2. Those are the constant. නියත පද තියෙන්නේ 5 ඍණ 2. x වර්ගයෙන් අපිට එන්නේ 3යි x වර්ගය ඍණ x වර්ගය. x වලින් එන්නේ 6යි x. So here we are getting 2x square plus 6x. And here we are getting 5 minus 2 is 3. So checking with your answers. Yeah. You got the answer. 2x square plus 6x plus 3. x වර්ගයේ පද තියෙනවා අපිට x පද තියෙනවා නියත පද තියෙනවා. එතකොට 3x වර්ගයෙන් x වර්ගය අඩු වුණාම 2x වර්ගය 6x 6x පහෙන් දෙකක් ගියාම 3යි. Okay. Okay, so going to our other question. Example 5. Example question 5. 3x square plus 2x plus 5 minus 4x square plus 6 minus 6x. Okay, so simplify and tell me the answer. We are getting answer minus x square minus 4x plus 13. So what is the answer? That's good. X square minus 4x plus 13. Okay, so let's see. So question number 5, we are having x square ones. So I write them 3x square minus 4x square and plus 2x minus 6x. X and minus 6x. Okay. And the constant plus 5 and plus 8. So the constant plus 5 and plus 8. So here 3 minus 4 is minus x square plus 2x minus 6x is getting minus 4x and constant 1 5 plus 8 is 13. So let's check with the answers. X square minus 4x plus 13. Okay, you guys got the answer. We have the same answer. Okay. මෙතන x වර්ගයේ පද තියෙන්නේ අපිට 3x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 4x වර්ගය අඩු කරාම අපිට එනවා ඍණ x වර්ගය 2x ඍණ 6x අපිට එන ආන්සර් එක ඍණ 4x නියත පද ගත්තොත් ධන 5 ධන 8 අපිට එන ආන්සර් එක 13. එතකොට මේක අපි සිම්ප්ලිෆයි කරාම සුළු කරාම අපිට එන ආන්සර් එක ඍණ x වර්ගය ඍණ 4x ධන 13. Okay, so that is the okay. So first we got the okay. So here the other concept we are using the removing the brackets. The second concept. Okay, so here removing the brackets and we are going to simplify. So the first one, here I multiply 2 by 3x and it is 6x. 2 into plus 4y, it is plus 8y and 2 into 5z. That is 10z. So after removing the brackets, we are getting the answer 6x plus 8y and 10z. So give me the answer for this example 2, example 3 and for the example 4. After removing the brackets, what you are getting the answer for this 2, 3 and 4 questions. Quickly do and give me the answers. Okay, so the second one, it's 15a plus 20b. So let's check the second one. Our second example, I multiply 5 by 3a and it is 15a plus 5 into 4b. 5 into 4 is 20. So b. Okay, so the second one we are getting the answer 15a plus 20b. Okay, so the third one say 24x minus 16y plus 24z. Let's check. So continue, right? After you done the second one, you get the answer for the third one and five. And next, do the fourth one. Okay, so here the third one, 8 into 3x is 24x and minus 8 into minus 2y is 8 into minus 2 is minus 16y and 8 into plus 3z is plus 8 into 3 is 24z. Okay, so our answer is correct. So this third one, we are getting the answer 24x minus 16y and plus 24z. Okay, so let's check our fourth one. So here we are multiplying 3a into 8a. I write like this for your easiness, minus 3a into 4b. And the third element is 3a into 2c. So here 3a into 8a means 3 into 24 and a into a is a square minus 3 into 4 is 12 and a into b, ab plus 3 into 2 is 6, ac. So the fourth one, yeah, we are getting the answer 24a square minus 12ab plus 6ac. Okay, have you got the answers correct? If anything changed, please let me know. If my answers are not correct, tell me, okay? Okay, so the first one, first question, example question, we are getting the answer 6x plus 8y plus 10z. And for the second one, the answer is 15a plus 20b. And the third one, we are getting the answer 24x minus 16y plus 24z. And for the fourth one, we are getting the answer 24a square minus 12ab plus 6ac. Okay, so those are the answers we got when we remove the brackets. Okay, so moving on. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, if anything, you can put a message or you can ask, unmute and ask. Okay, so here the example question 1, remove brackets and simplify. So you have to, first you have to remove the brackets and you have to simplify. So our example question 1 is 3 into a plus 2b plus 4 into 3a plus 6b. Okay, so first removing the brackets and then simplify and give me the answer for this example 1. Okay, so you guys got the answer 15a plus 30b. Let's see. So here first step is removing the brackets and then simplify. So I remove in the brackets. 3 into a is 3a plus 3 into 2b and it is 6b and plus 4 into 3a is 12a and 4 into 6b is 24b. So I am having a and b's. So I first write the a ones 3a plus 12a and second I write the b one 6b plus 24b. So here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay. So here 3a plus 12 is 15a and 6b plus 24b is 30b. Okay, so let's check your answers. Yeah, I'm correct. 15a plus 30b. So for the example 1, we are getting the answer 15a plus 30b. Okay. So if you have doubt, ask. Okay. Okay, so let's moving on. Okay, so this is our example 2. The question is remove brackets and simplify. Okay, so first you have to remove brackets like earlier question and then simplify. So the question is 2 into 6c plus 7d minus 3c minus 6d. Okay, so 1c 9c plus 4d. Okay, so let's check our answer. Yeah, 9c plus 4d. Let's check. So here 2 into 6c minus 7d minus 3c into 6d. Okay, so 2 into 6c, 12c, 2 into minus 7d is minus 2 into 7 is 14 and d. Minus 3 into c is minus 3c, minus 3 into minus 60. So minus into minus we are getting plus 3 into 6 is 18d. So we are getting plus 18d. So here C and I write the C 12c minus 3c and here 18d minus 14d. C and D numbers are there. Okay, so 12c into 12c minus 3c is 9c plus 18 minus 14 is 4d. So let's check the answer. Yeah, we are getting the answer 9c plus 4d. We are getting the correct answer 9c plus 4d. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so our example question 3. Like the earlier, remove brackets and simplify. 5 in the brackets e minus 2f minus 3 in the bracket e minus f. Okay, so remove brackets and simplify. So you get the answer 2f minus 7f. Let's see. Okay, so here this is our question 5 into 5 e minus 2f minus 3 e minus f. Okay, so let's remove the brackets. 5 into e is 5e and 5 into minus 2f minus 10f minus 3 into e is minus 3e and minus 3 into minus f. So minus into minus it is plus and ef my plus 3ef. So we are getting plus 3 sorry minus 3 into minus f. 5e minus 10f minus 3 plus 3f. Okay, so here I write the E1s 5E minus 3E and plus 3F there and minus 10F is there. So here I am getting 5E minus 3 is 2E and here is the answer minus 7F. Is why I write the final answer 2E minus 7F. Okay, so let's check with your answers. Okay, I can see someone's video is on and he is in the bed and doing maths. Ne? And they know maths karna කට්ටියකුත් ඉන්නවා. Okay. So don't do this as a theory lecture. This is from the maths. You have to do the questions. So get a paper and do the questions. Okay, when I am doing. Okay, so here the example 3, we are getting the answer 2E minus 7F. Okay, so here remove brackets and simplify. You are having 4 questions. Please quickly do and give me the answers. The example, the question one is x into x plus 3 and the second one 2x into 3x plus 9 and the third one 2x square into 3x and the fourth one is 16 cube power 5 divided by 2 cube square. So here also you have to remove the brackets. First remove brackets and then simplify. Okay, the first one we are getting the answer x square plus 3x. So what is the answer for the second one? Okay, the second one you saying x square, 6x square plus 18x. Okay, so here 2x into 3x, 2x into 3x plus 2x into 9. So here 2x into 3x, 6 x square plus 2x into 9, it is 18x. Okay. So the second one answer is 6x square plus 18. Okay, so what is the answer for our third one? 6x power 3. Okay, so let's see. So here 2x square into 3x. Okay, so we are multiply 2 into 3 is 6 and square into x. So we are getting 6x 3. So this is multiplication. So the factors are adding. So here, if I write like this, x 2 plus 1. So the answer is 6x power 3. Okay. So what is the answer for the fourth one? 8 cube power 3. 4 cube power 3. Okay. So we have two answers. So here the question is 16 cube power 5 divided by 2 cube power 2. Yes, the answer is A cube power 3. So here 16 is dividing by 2 and it is 8 and cube. Here the 5 and here q power 2 is going to the up as q minus 2. So we are getting 8q power 3. q පස්සේ එන බලය බෙදීම q වල වර්ගය තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ බලය තියෙන වර්ගය අපිට නියුමරේටර් එකට ගියාම එයා q වල ඍණ දෙවෙනි බලය උඩට ගියාම එතකොට අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් q වල පස්වෙනි බලය අඩු කිරීම දෙවෙනි බලය වෙනවා. එතකොට ආන්සර් එක 8යි q වල තුන්වෙනි බලය. Okay. So if you have any doubt, ask. Okay, so then let's move on. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay. Okay, so you have to, this is the third thing we are talking about under the algebra. So here, solution of the linear equation. So here they are giving us a linear equation. Linear equation is in the equation there can be x and y unknown numbers, but their power is only 1. So that we learn about, tell them as a linear equation. Yeah, our answer is x6. So let's see. So 2x power 1 plus 5 equal to 17. So we have to solve this. So here 2x and this plus I am taking to the other side as minus 5. So I can write as 2x equals 17 minus 5. So 2x, 17 minus 5 is 2x. So our 2x equal to 2. And here I divide both sides by 2 to get the answer for the x. So the answer x is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we are getting the answer. Our x value is 6. Okay, so that is our example. And if shall we move on? Okay, this is our second one. 3x minus 8 is equal to 26 plus 8. So tell me what is the answer for x in this linear equation. Okay, you saying the answer 17. Let's check. So here we are having 3x minus 8, 26 plus x. So I am taking x into one side and the constant into the other side. So I am taking x into the left side, this constant minus x into the right side. So 3x is plus x going to the left side as minus x is equal to 26 minus 8 going to the right side as plus 8. So 3x minus x, 2x, 26 plus 8 is 34. So I divide by both sides by 2. So the x is 34 divided by 2 and it is 17. So we are getting the answer for the x is 17. Okay. So that is our question 2. Moving on. Okay, so this is question 1. 6x minus 15 is equal to minus 4x plus 15. So find the x value for this linear equation. Okay, so you saying the x value is 3. Okay, let's see. So our question 6x minus 15 is equal to minus 4x plus 15. So I take this minus 4x into left side. So it's getting plus 4x and is equal to plus 15, and this minus 15 getting to the right side, it is plus 15. Okay, so 6x plus 4x is 10x, and here 15 plus 15 is 30. So after divide by both side by the 10, I'm getting the x value as 3. Okay, so we are correct. Okay, so here moving to the question 2. 3x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 14. Okay, so find the value for the x. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay. So say x is 8. Okay, let's check. Okay, so let's check. So here we have to remove the brackets. 3 into x is 3x, and 3 into plus 2 is plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 14. Okay, so here I take the x1 into the left hand side. So here 2x going to the left as minus 2x, and 14, 6 going to the right side, and it is minus 6. So here 3x minus 2x is x, and 14 minus 6 is, this is 8. So we are getting our answer. The x value is 8. Okay, you guys got the answer. Okay, so moving on. So if anyone having doubt, please ask. Okay, so even you can put a message. Okay, please ask. So moving on to the question 3. So 5x minus 4 plus 3x plus 4 is 6x. Find the value for the x. Okay, x equals 4. So how about the others? Okay, you guys say the answer. X value is 4. Okay, so let's check. So here I am removing the bracket first. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into minus 4, and it is minus 20, plus 3 into x is plus 3x. 3 into 4 is 12 and plus 12 it is equal to 6x. Okay, so I take 5, the x1 is left side and the constant into the right side. So 5x plus 3x and here it is coming as minus 6x. So those are the x1s. So the constant minus 20, here plus 20 and plus 12 minus 2. So here 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 minus 6 is plus 2x is equal to 20 minus 12 is 8 and we are getting our answer 8 divided by 2 and our answer is 4. Okay, so we all got the answer. X value is 4. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so here these are some types of the algebra questions. So let's see. Our question is, a girl goes shopping with 100 rupees in her pocket. She buys 3 mangoes and has 10 rupees left. So asking what is the cost of one mango. So this is the idea. She goes shopping with 100 rupees in her pocket and also she buy 10 mangoes and 10 rupees left. So asking what is the cost of one mango. Okay, so one say it is 30 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees. So I write my answer as consider the cost of one mango as X. Okay, so she buy 3 mangoes. So it is 3x and she has left 10 rupees. So this is equal to the total amount she got in her pocket. So this is 100 rupees. So 3x equals 100 minus 10. So 3x is equal to 90 rupees. So x is equal to 90 divided by 3 and it is 30. So therefore we can write cost of one mango is 30. Question එක අපිට දෙන්නේ එක ගර්ල් කෙනෙක් එයා රුපියල් 100ක් අරගෙන කඩේට යනවා. එතකොට ඒ 100න් එයා අරගෙන තියෙනවා අඹ ගෙඩි 3ක්. ඒ වගේම එයාට ඒ රුපියල් 100න් රුපියල් 10ක් ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවා. Rs10 is left. එතකොට එයා රුපියල් 100න් එයා කරලා තියෙන්නේ එයාට 100න් එයා අඹ ගෙඩි 3ක් අරන් තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම එයාට ඉතුරු හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා රුපියල් 10ක්. එතකොට මේ මැංගෝස් වල කොස්ට් එක අපි එක ගෙඩියක ගාන අපි 3 x කියලා ගත්තොත් එයා 3x ප්‍රමාණයක් වියදම් කරලා තියෙනවා අඹ වලට. ඒකතනින් ආපහු අපි එයාට ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවා රුපියල් 10ක් මේ රුපියල් 100 දුන්නාම. එතකොට මේ 3x ට රුපියල් 10 එකතු වුණාම ඉතුරු ප්‍රමාණය එකතු කරාම එයා දීපු සම්පූර්ණ මුදලට සමාන වෙන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට 3x ධන 10 සමානයි රුපියල් 100යි. ඊට අපි සුළු කරාම එක මැංගෝ එකක කොස්ට් එක එනවා ඔබ ගෙඩියක ගාන අපිට එනවා රුපියල් 30යි. Okay, so that is our question 1. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay. If anyone having doubts, ask. Even you can put a message. Okay, so then let's move our question 2. Here the question 2. A boy can buy 6 pencils. A boy can buy 6 pencils and have 40 rupees left. Who buy 2 pencils and have 80 rupees left. What is the cost of one pencil? So here there are two conditions. A boy can buy, he can buy 6 pencils and 40 rupees left. Or the second option is he can buy 2 pencils and 40 rupees left. So we asking one cost of one pencil. Okay, one say it is 10 rupees. How about the others? Okay, so you guys answer is 10 rupees. Let's check. So here I consider cost of one pencil as 6 rupees. And again I consider the cost he have says are 6 y rupees. So here the condition 1, he take 6 pencil and have 40 rupees left. So he getting 6 pencils. So that is the cost he spent for the pencil, and he left 40 rupees, and it is equal to the money he spent in Y. That money he had in pocket. So this is case 1, and for the second one, he buy 2 pencils and 80 rupees left. He take 2 pencils, that is 2x, the cost for the pencil, and he is left 80 rupees, and in his pocket it is Y. So we consider this equation 1 and the equation 2, and then we can equaling them, one equation and the second equation. So the left side 6x plus 40, and it is equal to 2x plus 80. So here I am taking x1 into the left side, 6x minus 2x is equal to the constant into the right side, 80 minus 40. So here 6x minus 2x, it is 4x, and it is equal to 80 minus 40 is 40, and x is 40 divided by 4, and it is 10. So finally we can say cost of one pencil is 10 rupees. R is 10. මෙතනදී අපිට අවස්ථා දෙකක් කියන්නේ මේ බෝයිට එක පැන්සල් 6ක් අරගෙන රුපියල් 40ක් ඉතුරු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් එයාට පැන්සල් දෙකක් අරගෙන රුපියල් 80ක් ඉතුරු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. අපෙන් අහන්නේ මේ එක පෙන්සිල් එක කොස්ට් එක කීයද? එතකොට මේ බෝයි ගාව තියෙන amount එක සමානයි මේ අවස්ථා දෙකේදීම. එතකොට අපි පෙන්සිල් එකේ කොස්ට් එක x කියලා ගත්තොත් එතකොට එයා 6x ධන 40 සමාන වෙනවා එයා දෙවෙනි අවස්ථාවේදී ගන්න 2x ධන 80 වලට. එයාගේ අතේ තියෙන ගාන එයා හැම අවස්ථාවෙදිම දෙන්නේ එකම වැලියු එක. කලින් අඹ ගෙඩිය තියා රුපියල් 100 දුන්නා වගේ මෙයාගේ අතේ තියෙන ගාණ එකයි. ඒ ගාණෙන් එයාගේ අතේ තියෙන රුපියල් y ප්‍රමාණයක් එයාට ගන්න පුළුවන් පැන්සල් 6ක් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. පැන්සල් 6ක් ගත්තොත් රුපියල් 40ක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා. පැන්සල් 2ක් ගත්තොත් රුපියල් 80ක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා. මේ අවස්ථා දෙක කන්සිඩර් කරලා අපිට ඉක්වේෂන් දෙක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. පළවෙනි අවස්ථාවට 6x ධන 40ක් ස්පෙන්ඩ් කරන්නේ. එතකොට දෙවෙනි අවස්ථාවේදී 2x ධන 80. එතකොට මේ දෙක අපිට සමාන කරලා x ගේ වැලියු එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට එන ආන්සර් එක එතකොට රුපියල් 10යි. එතකොට 1 පෙන්සිල් එක පැන්සල් එක cost එක වෙන්නේ රුපියල් 10යි. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please ask. කොතන හරි තේරෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. If not, let's move to the question. Okay, so this is the question 3. So at a school term test, children were given 4 marks for writing their names and 2 marks for each correct answer. The student was given 66 marks. How many questions did he get right? Yes, so here it is a school term test result. The children was given 4 marks for writing their names and 2 marks for each correct answer. And here a student is B and he got 66%. So they asking how many questions did he get right? So one say it is 31. Okay, so both say it is 31 questions. He have written 31 questions correctly. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so every children, they getting 4 marks for writing their names and 2 marks for each correct answer. So we consider this B student the correct answer as X. So this student, every student getting the 4 marks for writing their names and 2 marks for the each correct answer. So 2 into X. So that is the answers she is getting. So the mark is 66. So we can write 4 plus 2x is 66. So 2x is 66 minus 4 and it is 62. So 2x is equal to 62. So x is 62 divided by 2 and it is 31. So she is getting the total correct. She got 31 answers correct. The student So finally, we can write in the question, the student got 31 questions correctly. So if anyone having doubt, please ask. Okay, so after that, if you guys don't have the doubts, so here the simultaneous equation, Samagami Samikarana. So here you can see there are two unknowns. The x and y's are there in these both equations. So I consider this is as the equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So here now we are going to talk about the simultaneous equations. සමගාමී සමීකරණ වලින් අපි නොදන්නා පදවල අගයන් හොයන එක කතා කරන්නේ. So here if you guys can see the equation 1, it is 2x plus 3y is 9, and for the second one, the second equation, x minus 2y is 1. So here we can apply, we can cut off the x numbers or we can cut off the y ones, and then we can find the value for the x and y. So here in the first equation, the x has 2x and our second equation is plus x. And in the first equation, it is 3y, and the second one, it is minus 2y. Okay, so it's easier if we remove in the x ones. So I consider this, I take in the second equation and I multiply it by 2. So I can write 2x minus 2y and 2 into 1. So I multiply both sides by 2. So after removing the brackets, you can write 2x minus 4y is equal to 2. So this is my third equation. So I removing the x1. So I first equation minus the third equation. So first equation left hand side 2x plus 3y and minus the third equation left hand side is 2x minus 4y and this is equal to 9, and our left hand side is minus 2. So here 2x minus 2x, okay, if I write 3y minus 2x, here minus into minus plus 4y and 9 minus 2. So 2x into 2x is cutting, 3y plus 4y is 7y is equal to 9 plus 2 is 7. So we are getting our y value is as 1. So after getting the y value, we can apply for equation 1, 2. I'm applying the for the second one. Okay. So I consider my second equation x minus 2y. Y value is 1 equal to 1. So x minus 2 is 1. So x value is x minus 2 going to the right side as plus 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So after finally we are getting the answers. Our x unknown value is 3 and our y value is 1. Yes, likewise we can find the x value and y values in this simultaneous equations. සමගාමී සමීකරණ වලට සමගාමී සමීකරණ වල අපිට නොදන්න පද මේ විදිහට හොයන්න පුළුවන්. අපි x ගේ සංගුණකය ඉස්සරහා තියෙන value එක කීයද, y ගේ පදේ කීයද, අපිට x පද නැති කරගන්න පුළුවන්, y පද නැති කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. දැන් පළවෙනි equation එක ගත්තොත් අපිට තියෙන 2x ධන 3y සමානයි 9යි. දෙවෙනි එකේ අපිට තියෙන 2x ඍණ 2y සමානයි 1යි. අපිට y පද ගත්තොත් පළවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එකේ තියෙන්නේ 3y, දෙවෙනි එකේ තියෙන්නේ ඍණ 2y. එතනදී අපිට y පද නැති කරගන්නවා නම් එයා නැති කරගන්න වෙන්නේ අපිට දෙකම 6y ට අරගෙන. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි පළවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එක 2කින් වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේ, දෙවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එක 3කින් වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේ. ඊට වඩා ලේසියි අපි x පද ගත්තොත් පළවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එකේ තියෙන 2x දෙවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එකේ තියෙන x. දෙවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එක දෙකෙන් වැඩි කරලා අපිට පළවෙනි ඉක්වේෂන් එකත් එක්ක අඩු කරොත් අපිට x පද ලේසියෙන් අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් නැති කරගන්න පුළුවන්. So you have to consider what is the possible ways and what is the from the possible ways you have to choose the easiest way and do the question. Okay, so if you guys got the answers, shall we move on to the question 2? If you need any time or even you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, I am moving. Okay, so this is our second one. So equation 1 is 5x plus 4y is 6. So I take this as equation 1 and the second equation is x plus y is 1. So find out what is the x value and what is the y value. Okay, so you guys got the answer. X is 2, y is minus 1. Okay, we are having different one. Y2, x minus 1. Okay, so let's see. So here, as I told you, I take this equation 1 as 5x plus 4y is 6 and the second one as x plus y is 1. Okay, so I am taking the equation 2 and I am planning to removing the y ones. So I have to multiply my second equation by 4. So 4x plus y and 4 into 1. So 4x plus 4y is equal to 4. So I consider this is as my third equation. So from the first equation and the third equation, I am going to remove the y ones. So I first equation minus the third equation. So left hand side 5x plus 4y minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 6 minus 4. So here 5x plus 4y minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 6 minus 4 after removing. So here plus 4y minus 4y is cutting. We are having only the x1. So 5x minus 4x is x and 6 minus 4 is 2. So the my x value is 2. So I consider this x value for the equation 2 and I am going to find the y value. So I consider my second equation. So my second equation is x plus y is 1. So x value is 2, y value is unknown and it is 1. So y equals, so my y value is, 1 minus 2. So y value is minus 1. So we are getting the answer. Our x value is 2 and our y value is minus 1. So x value is 2 and y value is minus 1. Okay, so we are getting the different answers. So the correct answer is x2 y minus 1. Okay, so in these questions, if you have doubts, please say. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, if you guys don't have any doubt, let's move to the question number 3. Okay, so wait. Okay, so let's see the other way also. අපි මෙතනදී කරේ y පද නැති කරගත් එක අපි බලමු x පද නැති කරගෙන අපි හදන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. Okay, so let's wait. I will erase the links. Okay, so this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2 and now I am going to removing the x1. So x1 here 5x and here x. So we have to multiply our second equation by 5. So 5 into x plus y and 5 into 1. So we are getting our third equation, 5x plus 5y is 5. This is the third equation. So from the first equation, I minus the third equation. So left hand side, 5x plus 4y. And from the third equation, let's say 5x plus 5y is equal to 6 minus 5. So 5x plus 4y minus yx minus 5y is 6 minus 5. So here plus 5x minus 5x is cutting. 4y into minus 5y is minus y and 6 minus 5 is 1. So y is minus 1. Okay, so after that I am applying the y value to my second equation. So in the second equation, x plus y is 1. So x, y is minus 1 is equal to 1. So minus 1 is going to the right side plus 1 and we are getting the x value as 2. So in the equation, the Simultaneous equation, my x value is 2 and my y value is minus 1. So we are getting in the both way the same answers. Okay, so then our both ways are correct. Okay, so moving to the question 3. So our question 3, the simultaneous equations are 3x plus 8y is 11 and x plus 2y is 3. So find the values for the x and y. Okay, so one got the answer, x is 11 and y is minus 4. Let's see. Okay, so here I take this as my equation 1 and this is as my equation 2. Okay, and others say it's x1, y1. Okay, so let's see, we have different answers. Okay, so this is the question. The first equation is 3x plus 8y is 11 and the second equation x plus 2y is 3. So here, this is easy. Okay, so you guys can first consider the x1. So here in the equation it is 3x and here x. So we can multiply the second equation by 2. And again it is easy if we consider the y1s also. Here in the equation 1 it is 8y and the second one it is 2y. So if we can take our second equation into the 8y, it is multiplied by 4. So I am removing the y1s. Okay. So the second equation I multiply by 4. So my planning is to removing the y values. So 4 x plus 2y is equal to 4 into 3. So here 4x plus 8y is 2x. So this is my third equation. So here I am first equation minus the third equation. So the left hand side 3x plus 8y minus third equation is x plus 2y. Sorry, I'm sorry. The third one 4x plus 8y is equal to 11 minus 12. So here 3x plus 8y minus 4x minus 8y is equal to 11 minus 12, and here 3x plus 8y minus 8y is cutting, 3x minus 4x is minus x, and here 11 into 11 minus 12, it is minus 1, so x is plus 1. Okay, so we are getting the our answer, x value is 1. And then I apply this x value to my equation 2. X plus 2y is 3. So x is 1, 2y is 3. So here 1 is going to the left hand side as minus 1. So 2y is equal to 2. So y is 2. So we are getting our answers. So we are getting our answer, x value is 1 and our y value is 2. Answer. 2y is 2 and y value is 1. So our x value is 1 and y value is 1. Okay, so our both values are 1. Okay. So if you so different answer is came from QS batch index number 16. Is now okay? QS batch index number 16. Okay, so the answer is x value is 1 and the y value is 1. Okay, so if you guys have any, okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, if you have any different answer, please let me know and you can talk about that. Okay, so our answer is x1 and y1. Even you can apply, and after you are getting the answer, you can check whether you have got the correct answers. You can apply these values. 3 value into 1 plus 8 into 1. So what is the value? 3 plus 8 and it is 11. So our question equation 1 is okay. Okay, so here we remove the x1. So let's try the removing the y1s also. Previously I removed the, I take first and second equation. So let's try. Here now I am removing the x1. So I multiply my second equation by 3 factor. 3 constant value. Okay. So I'm getting my second equation, x plus 2y is equal to 3 into 3. So here 3x plus 6y is equal to 9. Okay, so I take this equation as my third equation. So now first equation minus third equation. So the left hand side 3x plus 8y minus 3x plus 6y, and the right hand side 11 plus minus 19. Okay, 3x plus 8y minus 3x plus 6y, 11 minus 90. Okay, so here 3x plus 8y minus 3x minus 6y is equal to 11 minus 99. Sorry, 11 plus minus 9. So here 3x minus 3x are cutting. 8y minus 6y is 2y. 11 minus 9 is 2. So my value, y value is 1. Okay. So y value is 1 and I apply this value to the second equation. So my second equation, x plus 2 y is equal to 3. So x plus 2 is 3. X is 3 minus 2. So that is 1. So we are getting our answer. X is 1, y is 1. Okay, so both ways we are getting our values. X is 1 and our y value is 1. Okay, so those are from the simultaneous equations. So if you have any doubt, please raise and ask. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so here the other concept we are talking is factorize. Sadhakatnika. So factorize we are talking about in here. So you guys know difference of two squares. So if you given a square minus b square, we can factorize this as a minus b and a plus b. So if you given x square minus y square, we can factorize it as x minus y, x plus y. Okay, so likewise we can factorize. So if we see the example 1, it is x square minus 9. So we can write x square 9 as 3 square. So we can factorize like this. X a minus b, a plus b. So our a is x, our b is 3. So the factors are x minus 3 into x plus 3. So likewise we can factorize. Okay. The example 2, how can we factorize? 4x square minus 25. The 4x square we can write as 2x square. 25 is 5 square. So we can factorize these squares as 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5. So those are two factors. And our example 3, x square minus 6. So we can write like that x square 6 is root 6 square. වර්ගමූල 6 වර්ගයේ විදිහට අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. So the factors we can write x minus root 6, x plus root 6. So likewise we can factor our third one. And the example 4, 5x square minus 144. So 5x square we can write root 5x square. 144 is 12 square. So the factors we can write root 5x minus 12, root 5x plus 12. Okay, so likewise we can factors these. Okay. So in this concept factorization, if you guys have any doubt, please ask. තුන්වෙනි එකේ අපිට x වර්ගය ඍණ 6 ලියන්න පුළුවන් x වර්ගය A වර්ගය B වර්ගයේ විදිහට හදාගන්න අපි 6ත් වර්ගයේ විදිහට හදාගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට 6 කියන එක නම් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් වර්ගමූල 6 වර්ගයේ විදිහට. එතකොට අපිට තුන්වෙනි එක්සැම්පල් එක ලියන්න පුළුවන් x ඍණ මූල 6 x ධන මූල 6. ඒ වගේ concept එකම තමයි හතරවෙනි එකේ තියෙන්නේ 5x වර්ගයේ x වර්ගය හරි ඒ වුණාට අපි 5 root වර්ගමූල 5 විදියට ලියලා 5x ගේ වර්ගය ගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට 144 කියන්නේ 12 වර්ගය. එතකොට අපිට එනවා වර්ගමූල 5x ඍණ 12 වර්ගමූල 5x ධන 12. මේ වර්ගමූලෙන්නේ 5ට විතරයි මොකද x වර්ගයේ තියෙන්නේ. නැත්තම් මෙතන අපිට 5x ඍණ 44 තිබුණොත් වර්ගමූල 5x වර්ගමූලයේ x ටත් එනවා. ඒ විදිහට අපිට factorize කරන්න පුළුවන්. So likewise we can factor two squares. Okay, so here the algebra, the final concept, solution of simple quadratic equation. වර්ගද සමීකරණයක අපි නොදන්නා පදේ values හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? So here the simple quadratic equation is there. Solution of a simple quadratic equation. So here the equation is given x square minus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. So when it is a linear equation a plus b is equal to c, we are getting x one value. When there is a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus cx is x square bx plus c is equal to d, we are getting two values. සමගාමී සමීකරණයක ඒ කියන්නේ ax ධන b වගේ ඉක්වේෂන් එක අපිට x වලට වැලියු එකක් එන්නේ 1යි. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ 2x ධන 3 සමානයි 1 කියන අවස්ථාවක් එක්සැම්පල් එකක් ලීනියර් ෆන්ක්ෂන් එකක්. එතනදී අපිට එන්නේ x වල වැලියු එක 1යි. මෙතනදී ax වර්ගය ධන bx ධන c සමානයි d කියනවා වගේ අපිට quadratic equation එකක් දුන්නොත් අපිට x වල values දෙකක් එනවා. ඒ වගේම x වල තුන්වෙනි බලයේ equation එකක් අපි consider කරා. එතනදී අපිට x වලට values තුනක් එනවා. So in quadratic equations we are getting two solutions for the x. When x power is 3, like that equation, we are getting x values, 3 values. So here in quadratic equation, we are getting two values. So therefore, in this question, we have to factorize. So here, you guys know how to solve these quadratic equations. So here, we have to consider the 24. What are the 24 factors? So here 24 we can get 12 into 2 or even we can get 6 into 4. So multiplication should be 24 and summation should be minus 10. ගුණිතය ධන 24ක් වෙන්න ඕනේ එකතුත් ධන 10ක් වෙන්න ඕනේ මේ සාධකවල 24 සාධක අපි දන්නවා 12 වරක් 2 24යි නැත්නම් 6 වරක් 4 අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so here the multiplication should be plus and the summation should be minus. So therefore it is a minus condition. So here we can take minus 6 and minus 4. If you guys check, minus 6 into minus 4 is plus 24. Minus 6 plus minus 4 is minus 10x. So here as the next step we can write x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 is equal to 0. So here I consider this part. There x is common. I take x and the remaining bracket I am getting x minus 6. And now I take this remaining part. So I take here minus 4 out. So there in the bracket, it's having x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write x minus 6 and into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So here x minus 6 can be 0 or x minus 4 can be 0. So x minus 6 is 0. So x value is 6. In the second option, x minus 4 is 0. So x value is 4. So in this quadratic equations, the x values are 6 and 4. Okay, so in this concept, if you guys have any doubt, please ask. විසිහතර කියන එක අපිට සාධක කඩන්න පුළුවන් 12 දෙක විදිහටත් 6 වරක් 4 විදිහටත්. එතකොට අපේ ගුණිතය එන්න ඕනේ ධන එකතුව ගුණිතය එන්න ඕනේ ධන 24 එකතුව එන්න ඕනේ ඍණ 10. ඒ කියන්නේ ඍණ අවස්ථාවක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඍණ වැඩි කිරීම ඍණ ධන ඍණ අගයක් අපි ඍණ අගයකට එකතු කරොත් අපිට එන වැලියු එක ඍණ. මෙතන 12 දෙක අපි ගන්නේ නැත්තේ මෙතන 12 දෙක 24 එනවා ඍණ අපි ගත්තොත් ඒ උනාට ඍණ 12යි ඍණ 2යි එකතු කරොත් අපිට එන්නේ ඍණ 14යි. ඒක නිසා 12 දෙක වෙන්න බෑ. ඒතර අපිට වෙන්න පුළුවන් අවස්ථාව ඍණ 6යි ඍණ 4යි. ඍණ 6 වැඩි කිරීම ඍණ 4 ධන 24යි ඍණ 6 ධන ඍණ 4 ඍණ 10යි. ඒතර අපේ කන්ඩිෂන්ස් හරි. ඒතර අපි ලියන්න පුළුවන් x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 6x ඍණ 4x ධන 24 සමානයි 0යි. මෙතන x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 6x ගේ x කියන පදේ පොදුයි. මම x එළියට ගත්තාම වරහන් ඇතුළේ ඉතුරු වෙනවා x ඍණ 6. මෙතන ඍණ 4x ධන 24 ඍණ 4 පොදුයි. එතකොට එතන වරහන් ඇතුළේ ඉතුරු වෙනවා x ඍණ 6 සමානයි 0යි. එතකොට අපිට එක සාධකයක් එනවා x ඍණ 6 වැඩි කිරීම x ඍණ 4 සමානයි 0යි. x ඍණ 6 බිඳුවක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. x ඍණ 4 බිඳුවක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. x ඍණ 6 බිඳුව වුණොත් x සමානයි 6 කියන වැලියු එක අපිට එනවා. x ඍණ 4 සමානයි බිඳුව අවස්ථාවේදී x අපිට වැලියු එක එනවා 4යි. එතකොට මේ වර්ගජ සමීකරණයේ x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 10x ධන 24 සමානයි බිඳුව වර්ග සමීකරණයේ x වල අගයන් වෙන්නේ ධන 6 සහ ධන 4. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt, please ask. Okay, so if you move, let's move on. So here, okay, so the example question 2. The quadratic equation is given x square minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. So find out what are the values for the x. No, that is not the same one. If I show you in the previous question, the quadratic equation is x square minus 10x plus 24, and here x square minus 10x minus 24. Okay, one got the answer x is 12 and x is minus 2. Okay, so this is our example question 2. So here our equation is x square minus 10x minus 24. So we have to check what are the factors of 24. So likewise in earlier it can be 12 by 2 or even it can be 6 by 4. And when it is 8 by 3 also there. Okay, so here multiplication should be minus 24 and summation should be minus 10x. So therefore it should be plus and minus condition there. So here minus 24 and plus minus 10x. So the values are minus 12 and plus 2. So if we consider minus and plus in 6 by 4 1, we are not getting the minus 10. 8 by 3, we are not getting the minus 10 1. So only minus 12 and plus 2 is the values. So we can write x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 is 0. 24 හැදෙන්නේ 12 සරක් 2 6 වරක් 4 8 වරක් 3 තියෙනවා අපිට. කලින් අපි 8 වරක් 3 අමතක වුණා මට. Sorry. So these three factors we are having. මෙතනදී ගුණිතය ඍණ 24ක් වෙන්නත් ඕනේ. මේ සාධක දෙකේ එකතුව ඍණ 10ක් වෙන්නත් ඕනේ. එතකොට අපිට එන්නේ මෙතන අපිට හිතන්න පුළුවන් එකතුව ඍණ වෙන්න ගුණිතයත් ඍණ වෙන්න මෙතන ධන ඍණ අවස්ථාවක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේම වැඩි සංඛ්‍යාවට එන්න ඕන වැලියු එක ඍණ. එතකොට ඍණ ධන ඍණ අවස්ථාවේදී ධන 10ක් වෙන්න අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් විශාල සංඛ්‍යාව ඍණ එන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඍණ 12 ධන 2 අපි ගත්තොත් ගුණිතේ ඍණ 12 වැඩි කිරීම ධන 2 හරි අපිට ඍණ 24 එනවා. එකතුව ගත්තොත් ඍණ 12යි ධන 2යි ඍණ 10යි x. හරි. අපි එතනදී අපිට සාධකය තෝරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර 12යි 2යි තමයි ආන්සර් එක වෙන්නේ. දැන් අනිත් ඒවා අපි චෙක් කරොත් මෙතන ඍණ 6 ධන 4 වුණොත් අපිට ඍණ 24 එනවා. එකතුව අපිට එන්නේ එතකොට ඍණ 2යි. ඒතර මේක වෙන්න බෑ. වගේම 8 වරක් 3 ගත්තොත් ඍණ 8යි ධන 3යි ඍණ 24 එනවා. ඒක හරි. ඒ වුණා ඍණ 8 ධන 3 එකතු කරාම අපිට එන්නේ ඍණ 5යි. ඒතර මේ අවස්ථාවත් වෙන්න බෑ. ඒතර අපිට එන සාධකයේ ඍණ 12යි ධන 2යි. ඒතර අපි ලියන්න පුළුවන් x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 12යි ධන 2යි x ඍණ 24 සමානයි 0යි. ඒතර මේ මුල් පද දෙකේ x එක්ක පොදුයි. ඒතර වරහණ ඇතුළේ එන x අඩු කිරීම 12. දෙවැනි පද දෙකේ අපිට ධන 2 පොදුයි. ඉතින් x ඍණ 12 සමානයි 0යි. x ඍණ 12 එළියට ගත්තාම අපිට ඉතුරු වෙන සාධකය වෙන්නේ x ධන 2 සමානයි 0යි. So here x minus 12 can be 0 or x plus 2 can be 0. So here x value is 12 and here x value is minus 2. So our x values are plus 12 and minus 2. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt, please ask. Okay. Okay, please do these questions as homework. I will show you guys the questions. This is question 3. Homework: x square minus 11x plus 18 is 0. That is the question 3. And the question 4. X square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Question 4. X square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. That is question 4 homework. And question 5. Homework: x square plus 9x minus 22 is equal to 0. And homework question 6. X square minus 8x plus 15 is 0. Okay, so please do these questions as homework. And in next lecture, we will do these questions. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt throughout the algebra section, please tell. So that is the things I want to talk about in the algebra section. So if you guys have any doubt, please press and ask. Even you can put a message. Okay, so if you guys couldn't please write down this question. I am uploading the video, so you can get it from there. I will upload it. Okay, so if you guys don't have any doubts, okay, so then let's conclude today's lecture. And for the attendance, please send your index numbers.